How to replace engine oil filter on Volkswagen Tiguan 3, Arteon, Passat B8, Golf 8, 2.0 diesel in 12 easy steps. Here is the maintenance kit for Volkswagen Tiguan 3, 2.0 diesel, from 2017 that you can find it in the video description below. We have used approximately 4.5 liters of Castrol Edge oil for this 2.0 diesel engine with 184 HP. This is the new oil filter that we are gonna install it on the car. It is a Manfilter HU7020Z that you can find it in the video description below. Required tools: a ratchet and extension ratchet, T25 and T45 Torx, 19mm and 32mm socket, funnel, flat blade screwdriver, special container for the used oil, torque wrench. 1. Lift the car to have access at the underbody shield. 2. Remove the underbody shield using a T25 and T45 Torx. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Three. Remove the drain plug with a 19mm socket and wait for the oil to drain. Collect the used oil in a special container. 4. Retighten the drain plug using a torque wrench and set the torque value for 28 Nm. 5. Remove that clamp from the black cable. Six. Remove the oil filter cap and then wait for the oil to drain. Seven. Put the new O-ring on the oil filter cap and then replace the old oil filter with the new one and install it back on its place. 8. Install the new oil filter back on its place using a torque wrench and set the torque value for 25 Nm. 9. Install the clamp back. 10. Clean the oil from the car parts. 10. Install the underbody shield back on the car. 11. Fill the engine with properly oil. For the 2.0 TDI, 184 HP engine we have used Castrol Edge 5W30 recommended by Volkswagen. We have used 4.5 liters of Castrol Edge oil. 12. Fit the cap from the oil filler hole. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle into the oil pan and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Start the engine and let it to run for about 10 minutes until your pressure oil light will turn off. Check again after 5 to 10 minutes with the engine off. If the oil level is below the min mark, we would recommend adding more oil. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.